Good night, buddy. Why do I have a 3D printer? Well, let me tell you about a story from back in the day.
I once had this friend who never knew when to buy new shoes. We both were the cool cats in town, but one day a terrible accident happened.
Let's see. Okay, so I'm logging into it now, and now let me see. I'm gonna find you some Converse. Okay, we can print you some Converse. Yeah. These actually look really nice too. Okay, so and then it's gonna be like 41 minutes, and then so we can just go right now. Let's go. Let's get you there.
Jerry, help me, Jerry! Jerry!
Let's go.
Jerry!
And we took off, and our 3D printer started, and to our hope that it would be done by the time we made it back.
Oh, Jerry! This is gonna be the last day! Oh, no!
And that's the day that we saved a man's soul.